Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 7.0 on AlmaLinux 8 server. This is my all server information. Now I am checking server version and my server IP address. This is AlmaLinux release 8.10 and this is my server IP address. Install Zabbix 7.0 should be use DNF upgrade using DNF upgrade command. Upgrade done. Now download this repo, RPM repo. Then DNF clean all. And then switch to PHP 8.2. Press Y. This is OK. Now install some package: Zabbix Server MySQL, Zabbix Web MySQL, Zabbix Nginx Conf. Press Y. This is OK and I accept. Again press Y. Again press Y. Zabbix official repository download. Successfully installation done. Now install MySQL database and configure root password. MySQL database installation done. Now start MySQL service and then enable. Now check status. MySQL is active running. Now reset MySQL root password using this command. Default password is blank. Flash privilege. And now exit from MySQL terminal. You can replace your Zabbix password. Create database for Zabbix user. You should be change your Zabbix user password from here. Now I am execute all command. I am exit from MySQL terminal. Now again login and then execute this script. Yes, successfully create MySQL database. Step 4, import Zabbix default database using this command. This is Zabbix user, it's already created, and Zabbix database Zabbix_db. Then enter Zabbix user password. This is Zabbix user password, zabbix@123. It will take up to 3 to 5 minutes for import default database. Sometimes Zabbix officially sends this server SQL file. You can follow Zabbix official document, or you can find some Google or Zabbix forum if you can see any error when import your Zabbix default database. Successfully done Zabbix default database. Now disable rock trust creator option after importing database schema. Now again log in MySQL terminal using root password, and then add database name, user and password into Zabbix server conf file using nano command not found. Okay. Should be hash mark using db name and db user, because I am already input this option from top of page. Now save and exit. And now change Zabbix web configuration. Server name, you can use domain or IP, and 80 port release. Remove hash mark from here and then edit 8080, and then save and exit. Now restart some package, Zabbix server, Zabbix agent, nginx. Enable this package, and step 8 firewall settings. You can start firewall D and then add 80443100501051 using TCP. Success. And then firewall reload, and then AC Linux disable from here, and then save and exit. Now reboot your server. Now access your server IP address and complete web installation process. Yes, welcome to Zabbix 7.0. Click next. PHP 8.2. Next. This is Zabbix DB, Zabbix user, and this is Zabbix password. This is Zabbix user, Zabbix DB, and password must be input correct, and then click next. Zabbix server name, if you use name, or you can use blank. Next step, pre-installation summary. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. Finish. Now log in using username admin and password is Zabbix, default password Zabbix. Zabbix server is running. Yes, successfully installation done. Zabbix 7.0.11. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.